Good morning, Standard 2nd, Subject English, Unit 2, 2.4, Story Time, Unity is Strength. 2.4, Story Time, Unity is Strength. Listen, repeat, and enact. An old man lived with his 4 sons in a village. The old man was worried. His sons were always quarreling with each other. They would never agree on any point. The old man had tried telling them many times to avoid fighting, but his son would not listen to him. They would fight for everything. One day he called his 4 sons and gave them a small bundle of sticks and asked them to break the bundle into two. "It is so easy," said the eldest son. He took the bundle and tried to break it. He was surprised that the stick in the bundle remained unbroken. He used more force. He tried again and again, but bundle of sticks did not break. He gave up. Then his brothers tried to break the bundle of sticks. They tried hard, but they too could not succeed. Their father smiled and asked them to untie the bundle. Now the sticks were separated. He gave each brother a single stick and asked them to break it. Each of the sons took a stick in hand. In no time, the sticks were bent and broken. The single stick is easily broken. If 4 sticks came together, it is impossible to break them. If you are united, help each other, and live in friendship, you will be stronger than any enemy. But if you are divided among yourselves and keep fighting, you will be as weak as the single stick in that bundle. Remember, united we stand, divided we fall, said the old man, giving his sons a meaningful look. This time, the brothers learned a lesson. They stopped fighting with each other. They started to work together as a team, and that really helped them. Once there was an old man. He lived in a village. He was not happy because he had 4 sons. They always quarreled with each other. They did not help their father in his work. One day, the old man called his son near him. He gave a bundle of sticks to break the bundle. The son tried to do so, but they could not break it. Then the old man asked them to take one stick at a time and break it. Each son could do it easily. The old man asked them to learn a lesson from it. He advised them to be united so nobody would defeat them. Look and say WORRIED, worried. WORRIED, worried. QUARRELLING, quarreling. QUARRELLING, quarreling. AGREE, agree. Agree. Bundle, BUNDLE, B-U-N-D-L-E, bundle. S-T-I-C-K-S, sticks. S-T-I-C-K-S, sticks. S-U-R-P-R-I-S-E-D, surprised. S-U-R-P-R-I-S-E-D, surprised. U-N-B-R-O-K-E-N, unbroken. U-N-B-R-O-K-E-N, unbroken. I-M-P-O-S-S-I-B-L-E, impossible. I-M-P-O-S-S-I-B-L-E, impossible. U-N-I-T-E-D, united. U-N-I-T-E-D, united. F-R-I-E-N-D-S-H-I-P, friendship. F-R-I-E-N-D-S-H-I-P, friendship. Once again, we read worried, quarreling, agree, bundle, sticks, surprised, unbroken, impossible, united, friendship. Page number 22. A. Answer the following. Question number 1. Why was the old man worried? Second, what happened when the sons tried to break the bundle of the sticks? Question 3. What happened with the single sticks? Question 4. What lesson did the sons learn? This question's answer you find out in the lesson. First, you read the lesson carefully and find out these 4 questions answer. Question B. Arrange the following words in a proper order to make meaningful sentence. See, they give us one example. First, worried man's was older. How they make the sentence? The old man was worried. They arrange the word here. Like this, you also arrange this word. Second, everything for fight they would. Third, sticks of the bundle did break not. Fourth, easily broken stick, a single is. Stand divided, fall united, we have. Now question C. Find the small words hidden in the big word. You write down this hidden word here. Then page number 23. D. Read the following sentence. Change the colored words with new words to form a new sentence. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sentences there. You change the word here. Then E. Write the words that tell us something about the words at the center. Here is in center man, tree and flower. Okay, and these words you repeat 3 times and write it in your homework notebook.